guys, my name is William Manuel. I am a student at the University of Benin. I'm also a crypto enthusiast, and today I shall be demonstrating the efficiency and some of the features of Nano as a cryptocurrency. So, some of the features I'll be explaining today is um, the fact that Nano is actually feeless, its transactions are feeless, and it's actually instant. Any transaction you perform on the Nano blockchain is instant. And I'll also be showing you how we can earn some Nano by visiting popular landmarks around you. So today we are going to be visiting a commercial landmark at the University of Benin, popularly known as June 12th, where we shall be claiming zero point 0.5 Nano from a spot set up by Nano Africa. Zero point 0.5 Nano is currently valued at $2.9. So let's go, guys. So the first thing you want to do is to open your Play Store and search for WeNano, and then you're gonna install it. You're gonna install it right now. So I'm installing it, and we're gonna open it now.
So at this point, we're going to select the register new user, enter a suitable username that has not been taken before. We're using Nano Tester for this one because we're testing the app. Then we generate our seed, copy our seed, and keep it safe. That's we back it up. So we register, press register, and allow the app to use your location. Make sure your location is turned on. I'm going to turn on our location now. So when we're done, we'll go to the map section at the bottom right of the app.
You can see there, and this is the spot we are going to. The spot in green, that is the spot we are going to. When I tap the spot, I will see the radius of the spot. So you can see my location and how far I am from the spot. So I actually need to get close enough to that spot. So let's go. So guys, as you can see, we are at June 12th now, and it's now showing you are within 400 meters from this spot and qualified for a payout. And to get my payout, I just need to confirm my phone number. My phone number plus 234. And once I receive that code, I'm going to paste it here. And the code is 208780. Let's go. You're now verified and ready to get your first payout. I'm going to put get payout. And they are verifying my location now. Once it's verified, I will get the zero point 0.5 Nano straight to my wallet. And let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, and I've gotten the payout. As you can see, this is my name, Nano Tester X. We're testing Nano. So, and you can see my balance is going to change now. See, I've received zero point 0.5 Nano. I now have zero point 0.5 Nano. So tomorrow I'm going to be using this Nano to buy something. So you can see that it's actually real money. I'm going to be using Nano to buy something from my friend in school. So I can also use it on Binance. I can use it on any crypto exchange that supports Nano. And that's $2.9. As easy as that. I just have to visit June 12th and claim $2.9. And every 24 hours. This spot is every 24 hours. So that's it, guys.